We're back now on NBC 10 at Issue with analysis of a new ruling from the U.S. Supreme Court. On Thursday, the court barred the government from restricting the gun rights of casual drug users. The case involved a Texas man who occasionally consumed marijuana. The law makes it a crime for any person who is an unlawful user of or addicted to any controlled substance to possess a firearm. Now, it is the same statute that Hunter Biden, the son of former President Joe Biden, was convicted under in June of 2024 before his father pardoned him. And joining us now to discuss this further is NBC 10 legal analyst Enrique Latoison. He is a criminal defense attorney. Welcome. Great to see you again, Enrique.
Thank you.
So let's dig right into this. How could this decision change things, and what kinds of cases would be affected?
So this is a huge ruling. It does change things. It changes the burden on the prosecution from the federal government, but it also doesn't change a lot of things. Let's take the Hunter Biden case, for example. Everyone knows this case. Of course, he was pardoned, so technically he's no longer guilty of those charges, but he was facing 3 of those charges. 2 of those charges, it would not change anything in this case. 1 of those charges, it would. So 2 of the charges, which is lying on a gun application or saying that you're not a drug user on a gun application, the Supreme Court did not change anything in reference to that. That is still the law today. That still stands. 1 of the charges that he was convicted of was a person that is a known drug user having possession of a firearm. This is what changes today. What changed before was, in the past, if you were a drug user of a controlled substance and it was illegal, not prescribed, you were automatically, in that case, guilty of possessing a firearm as a known drug user. Now what the law says, just because someone is a known drug user and they're in possession of a firearm, the prosecution must go 1 step further and prove that this person also is dangerous. And it's a combination of being a drug user and being dangerous. This was never the test before. So as of today, this is now the test. So it does change things, but it doesn't change everything.
Strong advocacy, proven results. Your trusted legal partner.